Okay, guys, I'm back for part two. Okay, so, all right, now let's do this again. I'm going to go back to my Jamboard. So I have this thing called Jamboard. It's part of Google. It's really nice. It works really nicely. Okay, so I'm back to my Jamboard. I'm going to break this down in base 10 so that you can kind of see all the taking away and plussing. Okay, so our first answer was that this 592 equals 592. This is the answer right here, 207, 214, sorry, was the answer, right? Okay, the same one we're going to do in another slide. So 592. So 592, and how much was it? 378. Oh, where did it go? Okay, plus and minus 378. All right. We already know the answer is 214, but just for the sake, I'm not going to show you that. All right, so this is a box. We're going to put the answer there. We're going to break that apart. So remember our base 10 blocks, and we said that this is 100 units, and this one's 10, and this is 1. Do you remember that? And 1,000 is like a double one, but we're not going to work with 1,000 today, just 100. So this one means 100, 100 small ones. This one means 10, and this is 1. Okay? So if you were to look at this in base 10, this is how we're going to figure it out. All right? This is part 2. And the reason I'm doing part 2 is so that part 1 makes more sense. So you can listen to part 2 if like you are really confused and you can't figure out what Miss Marissa just did. So I'm going to break it down so that you can kind of see what that breaking down, decompose means to break apart. Okay? So compose means to create. So decompose is to take the creation apart. So you're taking apart something. Okay? All right. So we're going to put the 592, this one in blue. Okay, we're going to do this one in blue. All right, right now. Okay? All right, so how many hundreds do you have? You have 500. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that 500s? Yes. How many tens? 9. Okay, so remember these are tens here, right? So we're just making our tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, not like that. Hold on. Oops, that's not what I want either. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. How many ones? 2. Very good. 2. 1, 2. This is how many ones right here, right? So this is hundreds, which are right here. 500s, right? This is 90. These are 9 tens. That's here, right? And this is 2 ones, and that number is right here. Okay? That's why I love Jamboard, because I have a little like cool thing I can do. All right. Okay. So, all right. Now, in another color, we are going to use maybe yellow. Okay. I am going to use this for the 378. Okay, so now this is where it might get a little bit confusing, but it's okay, bear with me. We're supposed to take away 378. So how many hundreds are we going to take away? Right, 300. We're going to take 100, 200, 300. That's this 3 right here. We're taking that away. 1, 2, 3. Do you see that? Okay, so you can't use those anymore. How many hundreds do we have left? 2. We have 2 hundreds right here, right? 1, 2. Do you see that? Okay. But let's see. Maybe we have to take that apart. I don't know yet. Let's see. Okay, so we've taken care of the 3. 3 is done. Now we have to take away 7 tens. Are there 7 tens somewhere here somewhere here? Are there 7 tens here somewhere? Yeah, there's 10s right here, right? There's 10s here. So we're going to take 7 tens away. So let's use our marker here again, and let's take 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You understand that? So what we just did is we took 7 from the 9. There were 9 here, right? This is 9 tens. This was 9 tens, right? Did I mark it wrong? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops, I missed one. Can't count today. All right, 9. Sorry. There we go. Okay. So I took 7 from the 9. Oops. I don't want to do that. Here, we'll just go through and erase the line there. I wanted to show you the laser. Okay, so 7 here from 9. 7 tens we took right there from 9. Okay, all right. Now it says we have to take 8 ones from 2. Can we take 8 from this 2? Is it possible? No? What can we do? What can we do if now we have to take 8 ones from 2? What do you think we can borrow from? What are we going to take from? Are we going to take from 100 or are we going to take from a 10? Ah, right. We're going to take away a 10. So I'm going to take this 10 away. I'm going to move him over here. Okay. So if I were to take this and move it into ones, I'm going to have to make 10 ones, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've just moved this 10 right here over here. Now there's 10. Because I have to take 8 from 2. And 2 is not enough to take 8 from. So I'm borrowing this 10 and I'm moving it here. Okay, do you see that? Okay. Now, it says I must take 8 from 2, but now it's not 2 anymore. It's 2 plus 8. 2 plus 10, right? Okay, you understand that? Okay, so now I'm going to take 8 from 2. Miss Marissa's going to change the color, not to confuse you, but so that you can see what I'm going to do. So now this one is borrowed. It's moved here. Okay, I'm going to take 8 from 2. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? All right. Now, so how many hundreds do I have left? I have 1 and 2, right? 2 hundreds. Okay, so that means in a different color, Mrs. Marion the answer. I have 2 hundreds, right? Okay, how many tens do I have? I took these away and I borrowed this in here. So that means how many do I have left? I have 1 10 left. 1. And how many ones do I have left? 4. Now, we know because we already worked this problem that we have, wait a second. Yeah, okay. We already know because we worked this problem that this is the answer. But how do we check their answer to make sure it's right? Remember how we do that? So we're going to take our other pen and we're going to do our checking pen. We're going to take 214. Okay. We're going to add this number. So it's 378. We're adding it together. Because remember, we have to get this big number, right? Looking for this number. So that means we have to take this number answer, add it to this one to get this number. Okay, so let's see if we're right. You ready? What's 4 plus 8? 4 plus 8. 12. Okay, put our 1 here. We're plusing, so everything's plusing. What's 1 plus 1? 2. Plus 7? 9. And what's 2 plus 3? 5. Do these numbers, are they the same as these numbers? But in a different order? Yep. Good job. Woo, you did it. Excellent, grade 3. I'm so proud of you. All right, so you understand now what you have to do? This is decomposition using base 10 to help you understand why you have to take from 100 section or whatever, because that's what we're doing, right? We're taking away from something and borrowing from a second place. That's why I do those other steps in part 1. This is why, because this is the picture way to look at the same question. So you can decompose with pictures or you can decompose with expanded form. All right. Okay. So we are going to start another Jamboard. Okay. Because this question in your math, in your McGraw-Hill is different. Your first question here. It's a little bit more complicated. And so I'm going to teach you how to do it. All right. So we are on page, I think, 59, page 60, I think that's where we are. Let me see if this is right. Page 60, yeah, this was right. Okay, go down page 60 in your book, page 60, 60, okay. Now this one is 572 and 378. So first we're going to do it the short way. And then I will take the Jamboard and show you the other way. Okay, so 572 minus 378. Okay, so equals 500 plus 70 plus 2. We're going to minus 300 plus 70 plus 8. Okay, this Miss Marissa messed this up last week. That's not what I want. Okay, all right. Can you take 8 from 2? Nope. So you have to make this 2 a 12, and we're going to add 10. Why don't we add 100? Because it's the tens place, right? Okay, understand that, right? Okay, what's 12 take away 8? 4. Very good. 4. Let's put our parentheses here. What is 70 take away? What's 70 plus 10? Easy. Can you take 80 from 70? No, you can't, can you? No. So in order to make this, you have to take 100 from here, because you're taking 100 from the hundredth place. So you're going to make this now 100 and I did this before and I thought, oh, I did it wrong. Let's go back to Miss Marissa's Jamboard. I know I have it here. Let me see. Okay. This is the one I was really seriously messed up on. Let me see. 520. I was like, how come this is not right? That's 214. This. Wait, what's this? What's this number one? 72. Oh, okay, hold on. Let me check my Jamboards here. What did I do? 592. Oh yeah, that's different. Okay, hold on. I did this before and I was like, oh, this is not right. This doesn't add the same. Okay, all right. I'm pretty sure you're going to take 100. You're not going to take you're not going to take 10. Because if you take 10, then you have to, it messes it all up. So we're going to take 100. So we're going to add 100 here. Okay, and add 100 here. So 100 here would be 170, right? 170. Yeah, this is what I did. I couldn't remember. Okay, what is 70 plus 10 is 80, right? So what's 17? So we know that this is the same thing as 80 now, right? So what's in this right here? Hold on, if I can, wait, can I erase that? Or is it not allowing me to erase it? No, it doesn't allow me to erase it. Okay, so we're saying that this is right here, this one is 170, this one right here. Okay, and I wish I could go up, but I can't. So we're going to say 170 here. Okay, what's 17 take away 8? So we know this is 0, and I'll show you what we have to do later. 17 take away 8. Okay, put 17 in your head and 8 in your fingers, and you're going to count backwards. 17, 8, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Okay, so we know that 170 minus 80 is 90. I hope I did this right. Okay, what's 500 take away? Now 3 plus 1 is 4. I still feel like I didn't do this right, but okay. Is 5 take away, yeah, it's right. It's right. Yeah, it's right. Okay, 500 take away 400 is 100. Okay. All right. Okay, so we are saying that the answer is 194. Do you think it's right? Should we check it? I think it's wrong, but let's check it. Miss Marissa might have made a mistake because I'm not perfect. Let's say 1924 plus 378, 378. Oh, pray, this is right. Pray it's right. Pray it's right. Because this one is confusing for Miss Marissa too. Okay, what's 4 plus 8? 2. Is it 2? No, it's 12 plus 1 over here. What's 1 plus 9? 10. 10 plus 7? 17. Carry our 1. 1 plus 2 is? 1 plus 1, sorry. 1 plus 1 is? 2 plus 3? 5. Oh, I got it right! Yay! Do you see? It's complicated, but you can get it. It's okay. But remember, when you're taking from here to here, when you're taking, I don't have my cursor. Okay, from here, from this point to this point, you have to take it by 100. You have to add 100 because you're taking from the 100th place, right? So when you take from here to here, it's 100s. When you're taking from here to here, it's 10. Okay, so when you're taking, so like this might be like 190 minus 90 and you get 100, then you just have to add this 100 to this 100 and that's how you find your answer. Okay, or you can do this with the base 10 way, or you can do this with the expanded form. Okay, guys. All right, please, if you need to pause and stop and go back, it's okay. But this should help you out, at least for today. And Mr. Marius will give me feedback if you are able to continue into the next lesson. And then I will make a new YouTube for you. Okay? I love you guys so much. I miss you so much. And I know you're going to be fine and that you're going to do an amazing job in school. And I hope that I get an amazing. I want an amazing. You know what amazing is, right? Like your best report ever. I'm so happy. I'll be like, okay, you make Miss Marcel so happy. All right, but I miss you guys, and I will see you in English. You're just going to work with Miss Tamari says today, okay? Because I don't know where you guys are. She's gonna tell me what you guys have done today, and then I will give you more English, and then I will see you for science, okay? All right. Bye-bye, sweethearts. Okay, bye. Have a good day.